Best 6 Quart Air Fryer Review. Follow the link in the description to read the full article. The most popular, COSORI CP158-AF Air Fryer. The COSORI Air Fryer cooks food quickly with a reduced amount of oil and fumes that comes with traditional deep drying. Whether your food is fresh or frozen, you can air fry foods at the touch of a button. It has easy cleaning process with non-stick and dishwasher-safe baskets. The most cost-effective GoWISE USA 6QT Air Fryer. Sleek and modern look with advanced touchscreen menu. Enjoy 8 pre-programmed cooking functions. Comes with a 30-day money-back option, 1 year and forever support. The most powerful OMORC 6QT Air Fryer. OMORC Air Fryer is the newly upgraded series of OMORC. Touchscreen and knob combined control has made the operation easier. Air fryer with rotisserie and dehydrator, PowerXL Pro. The PowerXL Air Fryer Pro boasts 1,700 watts of turbo-cyclonic power. It also has 8 preset buttons to cook your favorite foods and a cool-to-the-touch easy grip handle. Best Chefman Air Fryer with multi-layer racks. Chefman multifunctional air fryer with rotisserie and dehydrator handles any cooking, baking, or air frying task, creating the crispy fried texture you love with little to no oil. Best value for the money, Innsky 55-AF. It has a built-in digital one-touch screen menu featuring 7 presets. Also, you will get a stainless steel exterior amp, square frying basket amp, metal inner housing, auto shut-off amp, appointment amp, memory function and many more. Want to read the full review? Follow the link in the description. Thanks for watching, FamilyNeed.com. Your need, our deed.